Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you 4 simple things that can fix most common iPhone issues. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Next, select Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure the Content and Privacy Restrictions toggle is turned off. Sometimes these restrictions can interfere with apps and certain iPhone features. Now, go back to the home screen and tap on Settings and then tap on General. Then select Software Update. If a new iOS update is available, download and install it. Next, return to the home screen and open the App Store. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then scroll down to see available app updates. Tap on Update if available. Finally, restart your iPhone. To do this, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches and refresh your device. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.